Okay, so we're going to continue our discussion on the examples of the conic sections, the circle. Okay, for example, for number 14, find the equation of the circle in standard form. If the center of the circle is at 7 and 4, internally, tangent to x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so the first thing that you will do is to write the given. So for the first circle or circle number 1, we have a given center, which is symbolized as C sub 1. That is the center of circle number 1. And it has coordinates 7 and 4. Okay. Then for the second circle, for our second circle, we have a given general equation, which is x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. And we are asked to find the standard equation of circle number 1. The formula that we're going to be using in solving this problem is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. So since we have two circles, the first circle and the second circle, we can equate this formula into x minus h sub 1 square plus y minus k sub 1 square is equal to r sub 1 square. This is for the first circle or circle number 1. For circle number 2, the formula is x minus h sub 2 square plus y minus k sub 2 square is equal to r sub 2 square. Okay? Now going to proceed to our solution. For our solution, the first thing that you will do is, for our second circle, we have to convert this general equation of the second circle into standard equation in order for us to find the center of the second circle and the radius of the second circle. Okay? So x squared plus y squared plus 12x minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now what you're going to do, pagsamahin mo yung x squared and the 12x. Lahat ng may variable na x. Okay? Then pagsamahin mo naman yung may variable na y, that is y squared and 8y, di ba? Then yung constant na positive 3, lipat mo sa right side of the equation. So since this is positive 3, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, it will become negative 3. Okay? Then after that, you're going to put a space. Then lagyan mo din ng parenthesis plus y square, open parenthesis, y square minus 8y plus, then close parenthesis, is equal to negative 3. Okay. Now we're going to be using completing the square method. Okay, for the completing the square method, you have to get the coefficient of the middle term. So the middle term in this is 12. And we have to divide it by 2 as per rule of the completing the square method. Then we square it. Okay? Then we're just going to solve for the lowest term of this. So what is the lowest term of 12 divided by 2? That is 6, right? Square. Then what is 6 square? 36. So we write 36 here. Then for the y terms naman, ano ba yung ating middle term dito? 'Di ba? Negative 8y. So kunin lang natin yung coefficient ng middle term. Kunin natin yung coefficient ng middle term. O negative 8 divided by 2 square. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4 square. Okay? Negative 4 square is 16. So we write 16 here. Don't forget, after you done that, itong positive 36 at itong positive 16, i-copy mo dito at ilagay mo dito sa right side of the equation. Positive 36, ito naman ay positive 16. Okay? Then, what you're going to do now is to factor this. Kailangan mong ma-factor yan, itong lahat ng x term na ito, itong parang quadratic equation. Okay? Ito din. Kailangan ma-factor mo yan. So, we got x. So, yung technique na ginagamit ko dito, again, after you done the completing the square method, titingnan mo lang yung lowest term na nasa loob ng parentheses so that you can have a shortcut when it comes to factoring. Kasi time consuming pag ikaw ay mag-iisip pa ng factor, di ba? So, sa inyo, yung ibang students dyan, siguro sanay na kayo sa factoring, mabilis na kayo mag-process ng mind niyo pag when it comes to factoring. But in other students, nahihirapan sila. So, I use this method or shortcut. So, kunin lang ninyo yung lowest term ng 12 divided by 2. Di ba nakuha natin ay 6? Di ba ito? So, ilagay natin yan dito. Since 6 yan, positive 6 yan, we write positive 6 right here. Then, square it. Okay? So, tapos na. Meron na tayong factor ng x squared plus 12x plus 36. Ito yung factor niya, which is x plus 6 square. Okay? So, plus y naman tayo. Lagyan mo yung variable na y. Then, tumingin ka dito sa ating ginawa sa completing the square. Okay. So, di ba negative 8 divided by 2 yung ating nakuha dito? So, ano bang lowest term na yan ng negative 8 divided by 2? Di ba negative 4? So, yung negative 4 na yan, yan ang ilalagay mo dito. Shortcut. Okay? Negative 4 square. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa factoring. Now we are going to proceed to the operation of these constants. So, negative 3 plus 36 is positive 33 plus 16 is 49. Okay. So, dito, sa pagkuha natin ng C sub 2, take note ang ating nagawang process ay from general equation, GE, to standard equation. Okay? So, C sub 2 is H sub 2 and K sub 2. Right? Okay. So, hindi mo yan i-direct substitution dito. Hindi yung 6 ay sa-substitute mo lang dito. No. What you're going to do is to get the inverse of 6. Ano bang kabaliktaran ng 6? Ano bang kabaliktaran ng positive 6? Di ba negative 6? So, yan ang ilalagay mo. Dito naman sa case of 2, ano bang kabaliktaran ng negative 4? Ano yung opposite sign? Di ba positive 4? So, we write 4 here. So, we already got the center of circle number 2 or the second circle. And now we're going to find the r sub 2. R sub 2 is equal to 49. Diba? This is r sub 2 square rather. So r sub 2 square is equal to 49. So we're just going to get the square root of both sides of the equation. So makakancel yung square. So r sub 2 is equal to the square root of 49. And the square root of 49 is 7. Don't forget the word units since wala naman tayong given na units such as meters, centimeters, feet, diba? Na nakalagay. That is for generalization of units. Okay? So, meron na tayong center ng circle number 2. And we also have the radius of circle number 2. Now, we're going to proceed in solving for the distance between the two centers, C sub 1 and C sub 2. So, C sub 1, 7 and 4 yan, di ba? And we have C sub 2, which is negative 6 and 4. And we take note that the distance between the two centers can be computed by means of the formula of the distance between 2 points. So, D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is square. Okay. Since C sub 1 yan, our x sub 1 will be 7. Our y sub 1 will be 4. C sub 2 naman to. So, x sub 2 natin ay negative 6. Y sub 2 naman natin ay 4. So, after that, we're just going to plug in these values to our formula. So, D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 is negative 6 minus 7, ba? Square plus y sub 2 natin ay 4 minus y sub 1 natin din ay 4 square. So, negative 6 minus 7 is negative 13 square plus 4 minus 4 is 0 square. So, D is equal to, what is negative 13 square? That is 169. 0 square is simply 0. So, D is equal to the square root of 169. And we know that the square root of 169 is 13. So, since distance ang pinag-uusapan natin, we write the word units. Okay? So, that is the distance between the two centers. After that, we are now going to proceed to graphing. So, sa graphing, lagay natin yung mga values natin or the given. C sub 1 is 7 and 4. Di natin alam yung ating radius for the first circle. For the second circle, ang ating center ay negative 6 and 4. We have the radius of the second circle, which is 7 units. And we also have the distance between the two centers. We have 13 units. Okay? So let us graph these values. Ito munang C sub 1 ang ating ipa-plot. Bilang ka from the origin. So, 7 muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, upward naman 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we got C sub 1 is 7 and 4. Okay? The next step naman, C sub 2 naman. The center of circle number 2. So, from the origin, negative 6 tayo. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. Upward naman, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This will be C sub 2, negative 6, and 4. Okay? After that, dito naman tayo sa R sub 2. Kasi wala tayong given na R sub 1. So, proceed na agad tayo sa R sub 2. Okay? Dito sa R sub 2, from the center, okay, bilang ka. Kasi uh, kada move mo away from the center is 1 unit. So, dito, 1 unit yan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, dito lang tayo sa 7 since 7 units lang yung ating R sub 2. So kung 7 units yan, pwede din natin i-graph yung radius natin 7 units upward sa left din at saka sa bottom ng center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So this distance right here, or this is the radius of circle number 2, which is 7 units. Okay, 7 units yan. So, pwede din natin i-form yung circle natin. So, we draw the circle number 2. Now, the next step that you're going to do is to label. Kailangan natin i-draw yung the distance between the two centers. Create ka lang dito ng vertical line. Tsaka dito. That is 13 units. So, 13 units yan. Okay? So, paano ba natin makukuha yung R sub 1 natin? So, to get R sub 1, for internally or internally tangent circles, the formula in getting that is R sub 1 is equal to D plus, okay, plus R sub 2. So, dun sa previous video ko, dun sa example number 13, ang ginawa natin ay minus. So, pag minus, ang makukuha natin ay ito. But, since internally tangent yung pinag-uusapan natin, dapat kasi yung ating circle number 2 ay nasa loob ng circle number 1. Bakit? Kasi mas malaki ang value ng ating x. Okay? X coordinate dito ng C sub 1 ay 7, whereas dito sa C sub 2 ay negative 6. Okay, so therefore yung ating inner circle is the second circle, and our outer circle will be the circle number 1. Okay? So r sub 1 is equal to the distance between the two centers is 13 units plus r sub 2 natin ay 7 units. So 13 plus 7 is 20. So this will be the radius of the first circle. Okay? So kahit di na natin gawin yung upward, yung pa-right at saka sa pa-bottom ng center ng circle number 1. Ang kailangan lang natin dito ay itong papunta sa left side ng ating center. Okay, but if you have a large graphing paper, you can do that para accurate yung inyong pag-graph ng circle. Okay? So, pilan lang tayo ng 20 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So, hanggang dito yung hanggang dyan yung ating radius. Okay? Never mind na lang ninyo yung dalawang red na yan. So, that distance right there is our radius number 1, which is 20 units. Kaya itong red na distance nito, red line na ito. Okay? So, kahit di na natin gawin yung hanggang 20 dito, hanggang 20 dito, dito din. Okay, basta alam natin that from the center hanggang sa pa-left side niya ay 20 units. So, pwede hanggang dito na lang. Pwede hanggang dito. Yeah. As you can see, may na-form na tayong internally tangent sa circle. Okay? Again, yung ating red na circle, that will be our first circle, which is also our outer circle. And yung kulay blue naman na circle, that will be our second circle, also called the inner circle. And as you can see, nag-intersect sila dito, dyan. Okay? That will be our point of tangency, which is negative 13 and 4. Okay? So the point of tangency is negative 13 and 4. So yung point of tangency na yan, that is the point in which the two circles intersect each other at only one point. At yung one point na yon is negative 13 and 4. Okay? Additional information lang yan. Now we're going to proceed in solving for the equation of the circle number 1 with center at center C sub 1, 7 and 4, and we have a radius which is R sub 1 is equal to 20 units. So ating H sub 1 is 7 and our K sub 1 is 4. Diba? Ito ay H sub 1, ito ay K sub 1. We're just going to substitute that to our formula x minus H sub 1 square plus y minus K sub 1 square is equal to R sub 1 square. Okay? What is our H sub 1? 7. So negative 7. Sinubstitute lang natin. Okay? Square plus y minus, what is our K sub 1? 4. Square is equal to, R sub 1 natin ay 20. So no need to write the word units pag magsasubstitute. Okay? So R sub 1 is 20. Then we write square. So simplify lang natin. What is 20 squared? 400. So our final answer for this problem is x minus 7 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 400. So this will be our final answer. So for more videos about pre-calculus and other math-related topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be notified whenever I posted a new video. Okay? So thank you for watching.